Hey guys, today we are making brown sugar butter cookies.
Easy for you to say.
Not really, but they sound so delicious, so we're giving them a try. It's just a simple sugar cookie using brown sugar, okay? So I have 1 stick of butter already in here, and we're going to put in another stick since they are butter cookies. Brown sugar butter cookies.
Brown sugar.
Let's see if we can get all this out of here.
Sweet brown sugar.
Bam. All right. We got that. And then we've got 3/4 cup of brown sugar going in. And now we mix really well. How y'all been doing? We've got a Ross County Fair started this week. And we're thinking about going because Billy's wanting some
Fair
food. Fair food. I always like the sausage sandwiches with the peppers and onions on it. That's my favorite.
They are good.
They're so expensive.
Yeah, we make better ones at home.
That's not the same. You gotta have the atmosphere and the smell.
That's true. And the funnel cakes and elephant ears.
Cheese on a stick.
Oh, definitely cheese on stick. Maybe a slice of pizza.
I can't believe it's August already.
I can't either. We're just a year ago.
What do you think, guys? And now we've had so many people pass this year. Famous people, too. It's not been a good year, Billy says.
It has not. It's been the worst year I've ever seen.
Now Lonnie Anderson, they said.
My son.
Yeah.
It's rough.
Let's make sure Lonnie Anderson did. I saw it once. I haven't seen anything more. Have you?
My brother texted me and said he saw it. So.
Alexa, is Lonnie Anderson alive?
Lonnie Anderson died on August 3rd, 2025 at the age of 79.
Yeah, so she passed, and Malcolm Jamal, and Hulk Hogan, and Ozzy, and alright guys, we got that mixed up. Now we're going to put in 1 egg. That in there. Teaspoon of vanilla or so. Okay. Mix that all up. All right. Now we have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour in here, and we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix that up a little bit. And then we're just going to put that in here. How simple.
Are they kind of like a sugar cookie or a peanut butter cookie?
Sugar, butter cookie. And we're not going to cook them too long, so hopefully they're still going to be like a soft cookie. Just mix it up until flour's all mixed up. And I think we're good. And then I have some sugar here. And my parchment paper. I don't have the oven on just yet. We're going to put it on 350. But we're going to put these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or so. Get these all out here. People getting ready for back to school sales. If there's any sales anymore.
Yeah, really.
I did see some school supplies at Walmart they had some crayons and stuff for $1, so. Alright, we're going to put 12 on here. Whoops. Not on the counter, but on there. And then we're going to smash them down a little. Make one little mark in them. And that's sugar I have here. Just make one smash in them. We don't want them to look like peanut butter cookies. And this is my big tablespoon scoop. So. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that sugar on top. And I want to put these in the refrigerator. Like I said, 30 minutes or so. And we'll be back when we put them in the oven. Alright guys, these have been chilled about a half an hour. I got my oven set on 350. We're going to put them in there for at least 11 minutes. And then we'll see how that turns out. In the meantime, I picked some flowers, cut some flowers from our front flower garden. Zinnias. The 3 or 4 different colors we have in there. How pretty.
Beautiful.
We'll be right back. Alright guys, they were in my oven for 13 minutes because I made bigger ones. Normally it's a 10 to 12. We make smaller. But they're really not that big. I think they're perfect size. So it made 19 altogether. I got another batch in the oven. And here we go. They're still warm. But look, they're soft. The bottom of them is done. Nice and brown. I know they're going to be good. Mmm. Taste that brown sugar in there.
How could it not be good? I mean,
Billy would love them with a glass of milk. I would love them with a Diet Mountain Dew.
ew.
That's my type of cookie, plain. This one will be on rotation, Christmas presents and all. This one right here, because I love it. It kind of reminds me of like what they call, some of them call them Chinese wedding cookies, the little pecan shortbread. If you put some pecans in there, it probably tastes just like it, except they're soft and not crumbly. That's my favorite cookie too, so. I'm kind of like a plain cookie, shortbread, sugar cookie, all that. But guys, this is it for this one. So, we're waiting on one more batch. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.